I woke up this morning craving pancakes and the kids are off from school, so this is a perfect day to make them. I've tried so many different recipes and this is by far my favorite. It produces the fluffiest pancakes. And I've had a lot of time to practice. My oldest is going to be 18, so that's 18 years of making pancakes. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it.
Correctly measuring your ingredients is key to this recipe. You can use a food scale like the one I have here and start it at 0, or if you're using a measuring cup, make sure to scoop the flour into the measuring cup. I'm putting my ingredients through a sifter just to make sure there are no lumps. Add in your flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, sugar, and I'm adding in a little cinnamon, but this is totally optional, but I love the taste. And I normally top my pancakes with some apples and it goes together so nice. Sift your ingredients and then give that a stir and set aside. Let's work on our wet ingredients. Your pancakes turn out so much better if your buttermilk and your eggs are at room temperature, but if you don't have time, just pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds. That's what I did here. Add in your melted butter and your vanilla, totally optional, and then you're gonna add in your eggs, give that a mix until fully incorporated. Add in your wet ingredients, and I'm combining using a spatula so I can fold the ingredients. It's key to not overmix so you don't overdevelop the gluten or deflate your batter. You want to maintain air in your batter because that's what will help you get those fluffy pancakes. You want to just mix it until you see most of the flour is gone, and don't worry, it's going to look a little lumpy, but that's normal. I like to pre-slice my butter so they're ready to grab when I'm making my pancakes. Add in a sliver of your butter and melt that down. I'm then adding in half a cup of batter. I like to measure it out so that they're all even sizes. I like to push the butter to the edges so that they can crisp and get golden. These are just about done. It took about 4 to 5 minutes. Flip them over, and then I like to add a little more butter, totally optional, but I want to make sure that both sides get that golden color. Another thing to note is you don't want to make your pancakes ahead of time. You can mix in your dry ingredients, but you got to prepare your wet ingredients right before you're going to cook your pancakes and mix it. It's not really prep ahead friendly. You're going to repeat this process until all of your pancakes are done. It makes about 4 large pancakes. If you want to add chocolate chips or blueberries, this is when you would add it. Once you pour in the batter, you would just add in your chocolate chips or your blueberries, totally up to you. Well, there you have it. Super fluffy buttermilk pancakes. Top it with some maple syrup, maybe some more butter or some caramelized apples. And let me show you how fluffy these bad boys are. Look at that. It's like a little sponge cake. I hope you guys enjoy. Bon appetit.